Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Ryan from Optimize Effects and welcome to another EA update video. In this video, I'll just go through quickly all the results of the EAs that have been running for the past week or couple of weeks, and we'll have a chat about how they're going. So I'll just get stuck into this video because I want to make it quick. This one is Percept Trader, and it blew up, but it blew up because of me. I put the lot sizes to 0.20 lots and I blew it up, and that's perfectly fine. This is a demo account and we were testing how hardy the EA was to having quite big lot sizes. So unfortunately it blew up, but that's cool. Like, that's what we wanted to do. So with this, if you're going to be running Percept Trader AI, I recommend that you do not do 0.2 lots for a $1,000 account. It's not going to go well. So what I've done is dynamic lot based on equity. So I had it on fixed lot, which is what the 0.2 was. And yeah, dynamic lot based on equity, I think is doing, it's going to do 0.01 because the account size is only $366 an hour. So it didn't completely blow up. It just got margin called and it just closed all the larger orders, and that's what happened there. So there's a couple of orders here at the moment over the weekend, nothing bad, but if we have a look at the account history, we can have a look here. We can see that there are the losses. AUD CAD. AUD was just on a rip last week. It wasn't good for my live accounts either, but you get that on these jobs. We can see here after I close them, it has made a couple more trades. So if you're going to be running Percept Trader, definitely stick to lower lot sizes. 0.20 is way too much for a big account. If you're going to, definitely use like an equity protector and close it out at a percentage that you're comfortable with. So that rounds out Percept Trader. Next we have this Axel Light Johnny FX EA. I'm really surprised with this because when I backtest this it doesn't go well, but for some reason it managed to make it through all of last week. Like, it made it through all of this last week, and I don't know how, but it did. I've got it, I think I was running it on M15, or maybe it was M5, maybe that. I don't know how, but it made it. So all I did was, this is the 100k set file, and I just let it go. So this is meant to be running on a 100k account, apparently, according to the set file. But I'm running it on a $1,000 account. So maybe that's why. 5 minutes. Maybe that's why it's gone well. So what I mean gone well is it's doubled the account in like 2 weeks, and I'm pretty sure the maximum daily drawdown was about $700, and that was here on the 19th. And if we have a look at the 19th, that was it was way before there. That was around about here for some reason. This big drop here. So I got caught in this big drop. For some reason it didn't trade this going up, and it managed to make it coming back down. I don't know. I really don't know how it's making it, but when you backtest this robot, it doesn't go well. So I'm actually a bit perplexed. But this was a really good test. Like, this was crazy, and it made it through that. So I'm going to probably run this live on an account that I'm happy to lose, and attempt to try and double my account in the 2 weeks. And what I'm going to be doing is withdrawing daily from this account in order, once I'm break even, then it's risk-free. So in 2 weeks you should be break even according to this. So this is May 2063. We started it on 1,000, and in 2 weeks it's doubled the account. So Might be worth giving it a crack. We'll see how it goes. Perfect EA, I've started this properly. We've got rid of this other EA that wasn't going so well, this other one that was running gold. There's a lot there, but this is perfect EA. It hasn't made a whole heap of money, but it's running GU and EU, and we're just gonna see how it goes. So it's made, I think, like $70 in the last week, and we're going to see how it goes over the next week. So I'll come back to that one. This Pip Club Profit Max Pro has just stagnated here at 30. It was up to 35, but it hasn't really done too much. I think it's lost and then gained. It's just had a heap of loss, like loss and then gain. There we go, and then losses. So yeah, I'm not sure about this one over the long term. Clever Effects, it has made 99. I'm actually not happy with this robot at all. And the main reason being is that if you close the terminal and reopen it, it forgets what trades it has opened. And I don't know if it's just because it's not, I don't know, not the real one. It might not be the real one, I don't know. Probably not before this year. But yeah, it doesn't remember its trades, and the multiplier is too high. It can get into trouble too easily. So the profit to drawdown ratio is really, really bad. We can see here it's 244%. So the drawdown to profit, it's way more drawdown to profit. So I'm going to get rid of Clever Effects. I'm done with it. And I'm going to try a new robot. This one here is FX Gained Phoenix. The account has expired. However, we can see here that it made $189 in the time that it was trading. So I think it was running for maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. And it doesn't make a heap of money. But the drawdown to profit ratio is not good at all. It's negative, basically. So it has more drawdown than it makes money, which is, I think that's kind of normal with these styles of EAs. They'll generally get into more issues than they will make money. But this is, running it on 4 pairs, and it wasn't very bad. Like the drawdown was -74, -74, -67, and -93 on GU, which is pretty usual for GU. But it made roughly around about $10 a day, or a bit more, about $12 a day, I would say, on average. So it might be worth adding to your portfolio. It didn't blow up. It survived last week's news, and yeah, it was pretty good. It's just slow, that's all. It's just slow. Golden Raven, I'm going to get rid of this one as well. Not happy with it. Basically, it has just lost money. Balance is at 944. It hasn't made it really back. I've tried different time frames. We're on H1 now. I tried M15. Didn't do too well, so I'm going to be removing Golden Raven and adding a different EA. Undecided yet, but I'll decide after this video, so that'll be a surprise in the next one, same as when I remove Clever Effects. And last but not least, we have the one that I've been asked about the most, which is Algo 2.0, or Dark Algo. I've got version 1.5, and this is just insane. As we can see here, it's down 295 over the weekend. Hell, I don't know how it's going to go on market open, which is tomorrow morning. But it has more than double the account. It's at 120% profit. Its max drawdown was, well, it says -444 there, but that's not right. But its max drawdown, I'm not exactly sure, but it was up there as well. The same with this other one, which was called not perfect. Sorry, this Axel Hunter. So we'll see how it goes. I was asked what set file, if I'm running default or not. Let's just have a quick look. This is exactly what I'm running. This is on FPS. It is a 2-digit gold as you can see. Oh, not here. Yeah, this is on gold, so it's 2 digits after the decimal point here. So just keep that in mind. And this is basically all it is. So 23, 8, it trades from 8 to 23, which is off, so it's not doing that. It is using a virtual take profit, 2 level risk, max level Marty is 99, take profit 8, distance 10, lots 0.01, and it is a grid EA, as you can see here with the grid. The distance is 10 points between each grid, as you can see here. But that's it. That's all I'm running, and that rounds up this video. It's a real quick video. I just wanted to give you all an update and try and get videos happening more often for you. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.